U-Advocate Masilo Kwenane omele umsolwa wesithupha uphikisa ubufakazi bomphenyi wecala obuthi uMasukela akanayo indlu. Ummeli uthi unayo indlu futhi usehlale kuyo iminyaka engaphezulu kwe-15 uhlala nonkosikazi nezingane zakhe. Angeke nje avela alifulathalela kuleli noma ikanjani.
This gives us a sense of permanency that Mr. Masukela, that is accused number 6, stays there permanently with children.
That's correct.
This, you would say, given your experience, does not give us an impression of a person that can just run overnight and evade his trial, correct?
I don't know.
U-Advocate Kwenane uthi ngalokho asikho isidingo sokuthi anqatshelwe ibheyili. U-Advocate Mururi omele umsolwa wesikhombisa uphikisa ubufakazi bomphenyi wecala bokuthi umsolwa wesikhombisa uyathinteka kuleli cala.
In your examination, indicated that my client, being applicant number 5, alternatively accused number 7, was involved in this crime, and I put it to you that at the right forum he will come and deny being involved in anything in this matter.
Ubuzwe ngobufakazi bakhe bokuthi umsolwa wesine owavula eminyango yase-Ejele.
You testified, Colonel, that accused number 4 was one of the people who were opening the doors as the crime was being committed, the prison doors. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Omele umsolwa wesishiyagalombili ubuzwe umphenyi ukuthi unabo yini ubufakazi bokuthi uma umsolwa etethelwa ngebheyili angabaleka yini.
You agree with me, you don't have any evidence that if the court release applicant 5 today on bail, she will evade the trial?
Yes, I do not have such evidence.
Ukulalela kwesicelo sebheyili kuyaqhubeka.